Oi, tudo bem? For anyone who's learning Brazilian Portuguese, I've just created this, what I call conversation generator. It's an iteration of the language matrix that I made using a spreadsheet. So what we've got here on the y-axis, if you will, is like, want, need, have to, and be able to modal verbs, which you can pair with be, have, go, and do to create a ton of possibilities. So we'll walk through it and get the pronunciation here. I like to do something is gosto de, say it with me, gosto de, okay? So I like being XYZ, like I like being a teacher. Gosto de ser professor, right? Gosto de ser, and then of course you have to look up your own vocabulary, but it's a short step away. This is the foundation, so you could use ChatGPT or a translator to come up with some vocabulary ideas and make your own sentences. Now we put that same verb in the second person form of a question. Você gosta de? Okay, same vocabulary is still there. So you could say to me, Tony, do you like being a teacher? Say, você gosta de ser professor? And I'm going to say, sim, gosto de ser professor. Okay, move over to be está, which is like a temporary where you are. Like, gosto de estar. I like being here. I like being here. Gosto de estar aqui. Do you like being here? Você gosta de estar aqui? I like having this. I like going there, right? Very positive vibes saying, I like, gosto de ir ao cinema. Like, I like going to the movies or whatever. Fazer, I like doing. What do you like doing? Gosto de fazer yoga. Gosto de fazer tai chi. Gosto de fazer qigong. Você gosta de fazer yoga? How many sentences can you create? With the help of a little vocab, you could have endless conversation just using that line and that verb starting point. Now, as we go down, quero means I want, right? So I want to be a teacher. Quero ser professor. Or I want to be here. Quero estar aqui. I want to have this. I want to go there. Quero ir. I want to do this. You see? I need. What do I need to do? Preciso. I gotta go. Preciso ir somewhere. I gotta do something. Need to. I need to do this. Preciso fazer alguma coisa. Right? I need to do something. Tenho que. I have to be. Have to have. Have to go. I have to do. I can. Say it with me. Posso. Posso ser. Posso estar. I can be here tomorrow at, posso estar aqui amanhã. I can have this. I can go. Posso ir. And I can do this. Posso fazer. So I challenge you. How many sentences in Portuguese can you create? How much conversation? Because remember, second person form of a question. Can you do that? Você pode fazer isso? It's virtually unlimited conversation using these core verbs. These are the core verbs. Be, have, go, do, like, want, need, have to, and be able to. Play with it. This generator is something that you can use as a creative tool. Often we think of grammar as rules telling us what we can't do. Let's think of grammar as creative tools that allow us to see what you can do, right? So that's the matrix approach. It's a conversation generator designed to create instant conversation.